But I will say I do actually like the maybe like Hounder, Drupal Hounder temporary tattoos as giveaways, like the little sticker tattoo thing.
Oh yeah.
I kind of like that.
What about doing like an Aquia tier tattoo? But like for every
Yeah, dude.
I'm like 4.
You need to do it for Drupal versions, like to show how many Drupal versions you've been a part of, like 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
It's really funny because the logo is a drop.
Relentless care. Go off-leash with Hounder. Relentless care. Go off-leash with a girl from Hounder. Backstage pass made just for you. Show the things that we encounter. Learn what we do. Tips and tricks about web design. New technology and how it's used. Watch a video, that's just fine. See how we do what we do. The client, they are always number one. Transparency is how we get things done. And don't forget to have lots of fun. Hounder, relentless care. Go off-leash with Hounder. Get relentless care.
Programming
True.
is 10% writing code and 90% understanding why it is not working. There's also that other 5% trying to understand how it works.
Hi, my name is Austin Amento, and I'm a developer here at Hounder. And today I wanted to show you Eternity UI. This is a really sweet component library using Tailwind and React and TypeScript. So you can check out some really cool components here on the left. And this one's pretty sweet. You can see this scroll as you're scrolling. The screen is coming off of the laptop and then being displayed right here. And you can see here, all you need to do is install these dependencies, add to the util file, add to your Tailwind config, and then you get the actual code here as a component. This lamp effect here is just so clean, so nice, such a fun thing. Background here, and then as you hover, it's got these different colors. It's kind of randomly choosing different colors. And this cool little spotlight coming in right here. This mask one is a little crazy. Super fun though, to kind of see what's going on. This hover effect, oh, super fun, super clean. You can kind of see it's following you, and as you move, again, check out Eternity UI.
There was an idea of actually getting real plants in this office, Bettina. So if you have any recommendations, as I know very little about that stuff, if
You got a nice skylight right there too.
Yeah, the back window right there gets sun quite a bit because the sun comes through there in the morning.
Super low maintenance plant. Something that's going to be voluptuous.
I mean, it's Rashad's probably going to be the one taking care of it anyway.
Hello everyone, my name is Rashad and I'm a developer here at Hounder. Today I wanted to discuss one of my favorite JavaScript libraries called Scroll Magic. This is such a great tool for setting JavaScript events and CSS style changes to trigger while scrolling on your page. Check out this awesome animation for the top half. As the page changes and triggers get hit, you'll see custom CSS and JavaScript is actually firing. We'll do a further breakdown of that in the examples. As we drop down here, I recommend the most important section is actually help, as it leads directly to the examples for Scroll Magic and the documentation. It's really easy to learn how it works with all the examples that Scroll Magic provides. You can do a lot of custom testing, and based off their examples, you can kind of pull that code and use it for yourself. This trigger sticking to the side of the page is what allows the library to know when to fire custom CSS and JavaScript changes as it passes trigger elements or components. So let's go ahead and see that now. As I scroll along the page, you're going to see this trigger is going to pass the threshold of this start with a duration of 300. As this passes, this is either going to apply JavaScript events, custom CSS, styling, or classes. Now, what's really awesome is if you scroll back to the top of any of these examples, you can view the source of the code. This is really great for doing a breakdown of understanding what's happening. So let's go ahead and view the source here. Within the source, you're going to see normal HTML, but we have Scroll Magic controllers getting initialized here. This is what's going to set our trigger to then fire on these trigger events. Now, after the controller is set up, you'll see the HTML with trigger 1. I do recommend a further breakdown by going through the documentation of Scroll Magic. They do a very good job of giving you an in-depth breakdown, like for instance, learning what their functions do, like set pins, which pins the elements for the scene's duration. They have really good documentation and examples that you can kind of go through. But thanks for listening to this breakdown of one of my favorite JavaScript libraries. I hope you all give it a try when developing new code and that it's a great help to everyone. With that, we'll be back with even more tips soon. Thanks so much for listening, all.
Hey, is anyone else getting like inundated with Girl Scout cookie fever? Like,
I can't find them.
I'm getting like barraged every time I go to any like shopping center or grocery store. I'm just like, right by the time I step out of the car, they're like, "You want to buy some cookies?" If you can't find them, Austin, just text me your order, dude, and I got you. Well, my mom, just so you're all aware, she's an avid watcher and subscriber of the Hounder channel and loves the webisodes. Like, it's her favorite thing. She's very tells me how much she always looks forward to it. There was one month last year where we didn't put one out, and she called me and was like, "When's it coming out?" Like, I'm very disappointed. She did tell me the other, for the Christmas episode or whatever. She told me her favorite is Brian. She's like he's
pretty
funny. He's wild. I like him. Like, that's my mom, how she talks. Anyway, so she already has a favorite of the webisode. I think we're good. I think we did it.
Cool. Okay, everyone do a double chin for the screenshot. Come on.
I'm doing it, but you can't
3,
tell.
2, 1.
Have an amazing weekend. Have an amazing weekend.
Bye.
This month has been just wild and crazy. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you for always just checking this out and seeing what we're up to. A couple quick announcements. We are going to be at DrupalCon here in May, so we'll be there. A good chunk of us from the team will be there, so come out, say hi. We'll have a booth. We'll have like sponsorships. We'll be talking in different areas, in different spots. So please come and hang out with us. Also, we are excited to mention that we just launched a new project with San Bernardino County School Systems with the Williams application. We have more coming with the City of LA. And do check out ladwp.com, the Los Angeles Department of Water and Power. That just launched, that project that we've been working on for a year. Just launched with our good friends at Acquia just a couple weeks ago. So check that site out. It's absolutely just amazing. Turned out so great, and what everyone is saying about it has just like made our hearts jump with joy just to hear all the wonderful feedback. So please check those things out, and then get ready for a whole lot coming as well this next month. A lot more projects, a lot more stuff coming out. Last thing, check out the store as well, the Hounder store. We got like new stuff, fresh like t-shirts, hats, basketball jerseys, even party shirts and stuff like that. So please do check it out. Thank you. Bless you. Thanks all. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.